So, hi guys. Welcome back to Research Dolls. Let me just clip Katie's. Okay. But hi guys. Welcome back to Research Dolls. I need space. Space. Excuse me, you guys. Do you guys could see? I don't think you guys. Guys, this is It's okay, but today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a reborn look really sick in the car seat. I know I did this a while ago, like maybe 4 months ago or something. Oh gosh. Okay. But I really want to do it like another time because I really thought, why should I not do it? And I'm bored. I don't have anything to do. COVID-19, you know. Okay. Let me just sit down here. But what are you guys gonna be needing is of course a baby. This is my not full body silicone baby girl, but it's okay. It's like windy outside, but I don't know why did I feel hot today. But yeah, this is only. I don't think you guys can really see my face. I guess that's more just my stand. Like how I'm gonna leave with the car seats like that, but it's okay. But let me get the damn car seat space now. But today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a video look realistic. So let's get started. So the first thing you guys, the important thing you guys are gonna need to do. Oh, let me take this blanket out. I don't really need the blanket. But yeah, no, I just put it there. The most important, let me put the hat on her. I just want to put just make sure if your baby has like crazy hair here. But now I just place her like random, her face is looking like bad and her, just random. But yeah, if you have like a long hair baby and it looks like a young baby, like a newborn, just make sure you put a hat on. Because I would not like to do that. But let me just. So, the most important thing, guys, the most important thing. Buckle your seatbelt. Because some people think you're a bad mom, but not when you're a kid. And make sure these shoulder thingies are like in her shoulder, and they are for me. Some people's one is like too big for the baby, but. There you go. Okay. Let me get that buckle up from down here. It's like kind of hard to buckle my babies up. This baby has been growing. She's like loose now. Okay, she's like a loose. I think 20, no, she's like at least 10 months. She was like in my last video, I think I believe 9 months. Oh gosh. No, 8 months. But now she is a full grown up baby. She's like, you guys won't even believe how big she is. But yeah, she is. She is like, I think, 10 months, but what is this? This is not a new one, but still, it's like old. So I'm excited to have my new one. That's from my sister. This one I bought it, so yeah. I'm just thinking about it. Finally, it's buckling. Maybe you guys need to really take it hard up step here, like press it. Yeesh. That is one hard thing to do. Again, I'm just gonna this is like a really long video just because of the seatbelt. Okay, fine. No. And then I'll put this one like down there and then the feet. And make sure that your babies are weatherproof yet. And mine is, because it's like kind of windy. Like if it's summer pro, and that's something short. If it's spring, putting them something long, short, and if it's fall, putting them something not fluffy but long sleeve. So like this one. Now it's fall, but I'm wearing a long sleeve, short sleeve, and if it's winter, wear something fluffy. So then the next thing. Okay, let me go grab that fast fire clip. I forgot to like bring it all quick. But then you guys are gonna like. This is the only pacifier that fits for now. Okay. We're gonna be needing a pacifier. This one, as you guys know. It says I love mama. Right? Yes. So I'm gonna like just attach the pacifier, flip to the pacifier. It's like so easy to get out and so easy to do. So if you guys like, I will do a Hazel and like Hazel's morning routine and Katie. Right now when I finish this video, because some of you guys commented that, and I'll do it now when I finish this video. It's like, and that's because I just don't want to do it tomorrow. Just tomorrow I have dance school and then gymnastic and then, some things to do. That's my to-do list. Let's see. Oh gosh, no. Today I did a video on my other channel. I'm just gonna like put this thingy. I just uploaded a video. Me doing Emily. I'm gonna do Emily's morning routine right now. It's not now, but yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing it, but soon. Okay, excuse me. Crazy face. So then you guys are gonna be needing a blanket for your baby if it's windy or if it's cold. And then you guys are gonna see what I'm gonna be cleaning this hand. You either can put it like on top of them, as you guys know, but I don't have that cover thingy for the car seats. Most of the car seats have like that to cover the sun, but yeah, I don't. So then you guys are gonna be cleaning the baby's Olivia. And then I really like this hand, so like this hand's gonna be tucked in, and then this hand's gonna be like holding. So then the other hand is gonna be holding this lemon juice I just made for her. Yeah. And I added one more step to the baby is this milk. But look how realistic this should look. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. Bye bye. Oh God. Oh God.